Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about overcoming that fear of creating something perfect and therefore not starting to create at all, which is a tremendous sadness. So what are the hints and tips I've got for starting something? Well, I find little sketchbooks like this where there's no first page. It's all very random. A really great way to jot down ideas, to play with colours, to just generally experiment with things. And it's this playing and practicing which you can then move forward to a finished painting if you want to. But this is the power of your sketchbook. So I have this little crazy one, which I love. I show you how to make these in the Academy and also on my sketching workshops, which I hold in person periodically all over. Check out my website to see if there's one coming near you. So, blank page, that'll be exciting. So I love these for just playing when you're stuck and you don't know where to start and you feel page one is just too much. Play with a sketchbook like this. Once you start getting into your other sketchbooks, just play with, I use them for ideas. So what does gouache look on top of acrylic ink? What do I do when I'm sat at an airport? What happens if I just draw with lines and nothing else? And it's curiosity, it's playing, it's, can I draw this tree in a pen? Let's draw it again in a 4-color pen. How does that change things? Playing, experimenting, practice. I can't emphasize that enough because people come up and talk to me and say, I would love to have your talent. We all have talent. It's called practicing a lot. And a sketchbook is the best place to play and to practice because you don't have that fear of creating something perfect, a painting to put on your wall. You're just playing with ideas. Once you finish playing, you can absolutely take something further into a painting, but start by practicing and playing first. This will help with planning and getting that really nice painting. But remember, it's not about perfect. It's not about perfection. It's about practicing and playing and enjoying your art. So I've gone over 2 minutes again. So come and join me on the Smart Art Academy workshops, whatever. It'll be great to see you. See you next week. Bye. 3, 2, 1. Let's wait for the cars. Cars have gone. 3 left. That's a bit awesome. Playing with ideas, like I say. I'm going to start that again. I'm going to start again because now there's chuffing great lorries going because past. That never happens. Even, I mean, it doesn't happen to me, and I've been doing, let's start that again. That sounds very pretentious, doesn't it? Pictures, plays, playing of pictures with sketchbooks. That's very long. I might have to do that again.